Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to easily stabilize and lock onto panning videos in After Effects. Let's get started. Sorry that this video doesn't include a car. I recorded this clip at night and it's quite dark, but that's not a problem. You'll still understand the main concept of stabilization, and this method works with any type of footage. Here I have a quick handheld panning shot of a PC, and now I want to stabilize it as perfectly as possible. Using stabilize motion alone can give good results, but sometimes it fails. For the best results, we'll also use the camera tracker to achieve more accurate stabilization. First I'll apply warp stabilizer to smooth out the shot, since this footage was recorded handheld and contains some shaky movement. Click on warp stabilizer and set the smoothness to 15%. In most cases, this value is enough. Once it's done analyzing, pre-compose the clip. Make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, then click OK. Now click track camera and wait for the analysis to finish. Once it's complete, select a few tracking points in the scene and choose create solid and camera. Now that we have the tracked solid in the scene, the first thing we should do is resize it, because it's too large and will slow down the stabilization process. Next toggle off the original clip so we can see only the solid on the screen. Next select all the layers and pre-compose them into a single layer. Scroll to the very beginning of the layer and click Stabilize Motion. Zoom in so we can see the solid clearly, then drag the tracking point directly onto the solid. Make the tracking point slightly larger than the solid and make sure it's perfectly aligned. Once that's set, click Options. Under Channel, select RGB, enable Adapt feature on every frame, and then hit OK. Now click the Analyze Forward button and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, click Apply and then OK. Close the tracking window, and double-click the pre-comp layer to go inside. Enable your original clip and disable the tracked solid layer so it's no longer visible in the video. Close the pre-comp tab. Back in the main composition, you'll see your final stabilized clip. It's fully stabilized, but you may notice large black edges caused by the stabilize motion process. Don't worry, this is easy to fix in just a few seconds. First scroll to the beginning of the video and press S on your keyboard to scale the video slightly. Around 115% is enough. Next press P to reveal the position property and click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Then scroll to the very end of the video, drag the clip, and adjust its position until the black edges are no longer visible. Let's quickly preview the video to check if the fix worked. And there we go, the panning shot is now perfectly stabilized using stabilize motion, and the black edges are gone. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and don't forget to like the video if you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.